Welcome to your IELTS listening practice from Spinta.org. This is a mini-test designed to help you practice a specific section of the exam and improve your confidence. The recording will be played one time only, just like in the official test. Let's begin.
Good morning, and welcome to today's lecture on epigenetic inheritance. Today we will delve into how environmental factors can significantly affect gene expression, and how these changes can pass on through generations. First, let's outline what we mean by epigenetic inheritance. Epigenetics refers to the study of heritable changes in gene expression that do not involve changes to the underlying DNA sequence. Instead, it focuses on modifications that alter gene activity, thus affecting the phenotype, the observable traits of an organism. The term phenotype is crucial here. It embodies how an individual's genes manifest as specific physical traits or behaviors, which are influenced not only by genetics, but also by environmental factors. This combination gives rise to a rich tapestry of characteristics that we observe in living organisms. Now, let's explore the environmental factors that can bring about epigenetic changes. One major aspect is the chemistry of the environment surrounding an organism. For example, changes in diet can lead to chemical modifications in DNA. These processes often involve methylation, specifically the addition of a methyl group to DNA, which can silence genes, thereby preventing them from being expressed. In addition to diet, other environmental conditions such as stress, toxic exposure, and social experiences also play pivotal roles in epigenetic changes. One study demonstrated that exposure to high-stress environments can trigger epigenetic alterations that affect not just individual behavior, but can be inherited by the next generation. These inherited changes can lead to what we term transgenerational effects. Simply put, it's not just that one generation is affected, but that the next as well inherits these adaptations or modifications. Thus, environmental influences not only sculpt the behavior and health of present organisms, but echo into the future, affecting their offspring. How do these modifications occur? The answer lies in several distinct biochemical pathways. Several non-coding RNA molecules play roles in silencing genes through interference, or by modifying histones, the proteins around which DNA is coiled. Enzymes that add or remove acetyl groups are crucial here. The addition of an acetyl group is often associated with gene activation, while its removal can lead to gene silencing. A key example is the study on mice that were subjected to a high-fat diet. It was found that changes in their liver cells resulted in the silencing of genes responsible for metabolism, leading to offspring with altered glucose metabolism, predisposing them to obesity and diabetes. This phenomenon underscores the reality of epigenetic inheritance at play. Moreover, research on plants, such as the model organism Arabidopsis thaliana, reveals that stress induced by drought can lead to epigenetic changes that improve the plant's resilience. Such changes remain stable even when the environment returns to normal, proving that epigenetic inheritance is not without significance in plant evolution as well. Continuing with the examples of epigenetic changes brought about by lifestyle choices, studies have shown that exposure to toxic substances, such as chemicals found in plastics or heavy metals, can induce stress responses that modify gene expression. Follow-up generations may continue to display altered expressions of genes linked to detoxifying enzymes, showcasing alterations in their physiological states. Now let us break down these concepts further. Consider the classic case central to epigenetic research with tobacco smoke. Children born to parents who smoked are more likely to develop health complications. Research has shown it is not solely due to genetic predisposition, but also due to epigenetic changes induced by the harmful chemicals absorbed from tobacco smoke. Such alterations in transcriptional regulation directly influence phenotypes over generations. What this suggests is the capacity of our surrounding environment and lifestyle choices to affect gene expression profoundly. we see that environmental factors such as nutrition, stress levels, and exposure to substances can invoke a suite of biochemical responses leading to lasting epigenetic modifications. It is also worth discussing the role of epigenetic inheritance in human diseases. For instance, diseases like cancer have been linked to aberrations in normal epigenetic processes, a reality that highlights the importance of environmental influences as risk factors. Furthermore, the ability to reverse these epigenetic modifications presents an exciting frontier in medicine and genetics. By manipulating lifestyle choices or pharmacological interventions, researchers can potentially realign faulty epigenetic patterns, paving the way for treatments of diseases rooted in these modifications. As we conclude our exploration of epigenetic inheritance, it is evident that understanding how environmental factors affect gene expression across generations is fundamentally important. From our discussion, we have learned how phenomena such as methylation and histone modification play critical roles in transferring traits, and how factors like diet, stress, and exposure to toxins can influence these processes. Through real-world examples in both plants and animals, we observe the profound implications of these epigenetic changes and their generational passage. In summary, epigenetic inheritance exemplifies the interplay between genetics and environment, helping us to further understand human health and behavior, and lay a foundation for potential therapeutic avenues. I encourage you to reflect on the implications of our environment in shaping our biology, and to ponder how your lifestyle choices may influence not just you, but future generations as well. Thank you for your attention today.
You have now completed the practice test. When you are ready for a full exam experience, visit us at Spinta.org. There you will find complete mock tests for all 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Our platform provides instant AI feedback for your speaking and writing tasks, along with an accurate prediction of your band score. Take control of your preparation at Spinta.org.